2024 Guide: Maximize ROI with Bitwise Crypto Index Funds. Are you ready to revolutionize your investment strategy for 2024? Harness the power of Bitwise Crypto Index Funds to ride the digital wave reshaping the financial landscape. DeFi, Metaverse, and smart contracts are the pillars of a future where your portfolio isn't just surviving, it's thriving. Bitwise stands as a beacon in digital asset management, offering a diverse range of products tailored for tech-savvy investors. From ETFs to private funds, Bitwise provides broad exposure to the burgeoning world of cryptocurrencies. These funds empower investors with strategic insights into digital finance. Investing in crypto index funds is not just about capitalizing on growth, but managing risks inherent in digital assets. Bitwise provides a structured approach to diversification, ensuring your portfolio is optimized to manage volatility while maximizing returns. This strategy supports long-term financial goals. Decentralized finance, DeFi, represents a pivotal opportunity for investors. Bitwise's DeFi Crypto Index Fund captures this dynamic landscape, offering exposure to significant protocols like Uniswap, Aave, and Compound. By investing in DeFi, you gain a foothold in a sector showing promising returns. Beyond the physical realm, the metaverse is rapidly evolving as the next investment frontier. Bitwise's innovative products offer exposure to this digital universe, enabling investors to tap into endless possibilities. With its groundbreaking potential, the metaverse is a crucial element in future-proofing portfolios. Smart contracts are reshaping transactions through blockchain technology, minimizing the need for intermediaries. By investing in Bitwise's funds, you gain exposure to platforms advancing this technology. This proactive approach prepares you for the next wave of digital evolution. Navigating the volatile crypto market requires expert portfolio management. Bitwise provides professional strategies like asset allocation and performance tracking, ensuring their offerings align with your financial objectives. Their expert guidance enhances ROI by optimizing asset mixes in an ever-changing environment. Bitwise maintains rigorous adherence to regulations, offering peace of mind for conscientious investors. They implement multi-signature wallets, secure custody solutions, and conduct regular audits. This ensures that your investments are protected in the constantly evolving regulatory landscape. The crypto asset management market is projected to soar to $9.36 billion by 2030. This growth emphasizes the relevance of a diversified, well-managed crypto portfolio. Partnering with an experienced manager like Bitwise equips you to capitalize on emerging opportunities in the crypto sphere. Propel your portfolio into the future by investing in Bitwise Crypto Index Funds. Embrace the opportunities in DeFi, Metaverse, and smart contracts. Don't just adapt to the changes in digital finance, lead them. Act now to position yourself at the forefront of this financial revolution. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out our next video.